Hi, Travis from POSGuys.com. Today we're reviewing the Honeywell PC42d. This is their most basic of all their desktop printers. It's a simplified version of the PC42t. PC42t does thermal transfer printing as well as direct thermal printing. This printer does only direct thermal printing. Overall, it's a very economical printer. It has a low starting price point and it has all the basic features that you need. One of its best features is auto-calibration. If you're going to change the media, right now we have shipping labels in it. If we're going to switch to regular desktop labels, we hit the release, take out the shipping labels, put in our standard direct thermal labels. This is a 2 1/4 by 3/4 inch size. Drop it in, you can lock in the springs. And you close the clamps in. It'll go ahead and spit out 6 to 8 inches of labels, and then it's auto-calibrated. See that it spits out one label at a time after that. Interface-wise, it comes with the most desired interfaces, which is USB and Ethernet. USB for your standard PC connection, and then Ethernet if you're going to be putting it on a network and have multiple printers or multiple computers printing to it, or if you want to use a tablet or something that does not have a USB port, you can use the Ethernet connection to print over that. With the PC42d, along with the PC42t and many other desktop printers from Honeywell, you get the Bartender Ultralight software at no charge. It's a simplified version of the Bartender Pro. On my computer now I have the Bartender Pros. Bartender Ultralight looks very similar to this. It just doesn't have some of the features like database connectivity or spreadsheet connectivity. So if you need those features, you can always start with the Ultralight and then upgrade to the Pro version as you need those features. Here I have a basic sample label. I'm going to print several of these. Go to your basic print queue. It's a 20. My printer is selected. And under document properties, you can confirm that you have the correct label size. It's in there. And I'll go ahead and print. So it prints very quickly. It's very legible. The barcodes look nice and crisp. The numbers are very nice on it. 203 DPI, so it can't print ultra small labels, but it does print overall really well. It is perfect for things like shipping labels, which we also can print a sample of. Switching over to a shipping label, pop open the cover. There's a release button here if you lock down the label. Open it up. Get your shipping label, drop it in. You can push the button down to lock it in place, or you can leave it in kind of spring mode. And then they have some adjustments here. There's also an adjustable eye built in right here where you can move it to different locations if you're using a special media that has either a gap or a black mark that is not directly in the middle. So that's a nice feature. You don't see that often on budget printers. It's usually reserved for kind of intermediate to advanced printers. Close the cover and it'll calibrate for the new media. And in Bartender, they have a sample UPS label in it. So we'll just print the sample label here. Under the document properties, you can see it automatically switches to the 4x6. And it does the portrait 180 because these labels have a little bit of writing on the bottom on it. So in order to print correctly, you do have to flip it 180. And we'll go ahead and print one label. And there's my test label. So the 2D barcode prints nice and legibly, all the text is legible, and it looks just like a UPS label should. Overall, we really like the PC42d. It's very simple but very easy to use. It has all the basic features you need if you want a printer for simple shipping or labeling. Direct thermal only. If you want thermal transfer, you need to upgrade to the PC42t. It prints at 4 inches per second. If you would like to go faster than that, then you have to look at the PC43 or above series. It has a 12-month warranty, which is pretty good for a basic desktop printer. The print head is also replaceable, so if that goes out after your warranty expires, then you can replace just the print head itself. For more information on the PC42 or to purchase, please visit us at POSGuys.com. Thanks.